name's Francesca Pisani and I'm the Global Product Manager for GE's range of portable handheld test tools. This is the Druck DPI 880 multifunction calibrator, which is a robust family of products that are easy to use across the whole range. The DPI 880 multifunction calibrator incorporates all of the DPI 800 variants into this one tool, making it virtually a calibration lab in the palm of your hands. So if we just press the menu key here, you can see the easy to use, intuitive, icon driven menu structure. Here you can see what's currently selected by the flash, and then we have the downward arrows or the upward arrows, and then left as well as right to navigate through the menu structure. Here we've got measure or input, and here we've got source or output mode. Currently we're measuring RTDs, so if we just use the menu structure there, we select milliamps, you can see that the main screen has now changed to read milliamps. We also have the option to have a 24 volt loop power supply, so if we just select that, the screen has now changed to show that we're using the 24 volt loop power supply as well as still measuring milliamps. All of the 800 series follow similar characteristics, and here you can see we have a help menu which highlights which connections are required dependent on the current measurement. The DPI 800 series also follow the same menu structures throughout, and as you can see, all have got a large bright backlit display, auto power off option, battery indication, clock. We have multiple languages, and we also have the status, so you can find out the current software build, when the calibration's due, as well as the serial number. This rubberized exterior makes it an outstanding device for rugged process conditions. Thank you for listening.